everybody, back again with me, and you are listening to the 45.07 podcast. You can listen it in Apple Podcast. So today we are going to talk about our lives, but first, please let us introduce ourselves. My name is Dika, and we have.
Hi, my name is Dia. Nice to meet you all.
Hey everyone, my name is Ferdi.
Hi guys, I'm Adita. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is David. What's up, guys?
Okay, so now because we are already know each other, let's get right into the topic.
Yesterday, I made a question box on my Instagram story about this topic, and we already got a few questions.
Oh, that's great. I'm feeling excited.
Okay, so the first question is, what is your hobbies and why do you consider it as a hobby?
Can I go first?
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So my hobby is watching TV series and like Modern Family or 911, but it's actually not a special hobby because I think everyone likes to watch a TV series. But the reason why I consider it as my hobby is because it's relaxing and gives me satisfaction, and also because I do it like every day.
Wow, that's great, Ferdi. But for me, I like to ride motorcycles. Yeah, every time I ride motorcycles, I feel like, yeah, I'm in a movie and I'm the main of the character. So that's why I think my hobby is to ride motorcycle. Yeah, you guys should try the motorcycle.
Very interesting. By the way, my hobby is traveling, especially when it comes to holiday times with my family or friends. I think traveling is one of the best way to feel relaxed and clear your mind.
For me, I actually have a few hobbies such as reading, cooking, and listening to music. But my main hobby is reading. Why? Because by reading, I feel like my immune system start working and it lifts my mood every time I read.
oh yeah, that's awesome. I also like listening to music and watching movie because from listening music and watching movie, I can learn a lot of new things like new language.
Well, yeah, we all have very unique hobbies. Yeah, I think we should hang out soon and try each other's hobbies. Edita, are there any more questions?
We have a few actually. Ferdy, can you read it?
Of course. So the next question is about interest, guys. It's from at Iwan150_hits. So he asked, "What are your interests?"
That's a very good question. What are my interests? I'm interested in everything about Korea because Korea is one of my dream countries and I'm also a big fan of K-pop, K-drama and the culture. I think it's very interesting.
Why? Wait a minute, yeah. We have the same interests. I like to watch K-dramas too. I find K-drama very creative because of the storyline, but I think they need to think about a new concept. What about you, David?
For me, motorcycle modification have become my interest since a long time ago. I think motorcycle modification is one of the ways to be creative with our style. Motor Motorcycle modification can also keep you from a bad environment.
Wow. By the way, dia Edita, if you are guys interested to K-pop or Korean style, like maybe you know this 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Yeah, by the way, David, we have the same interest. Yeah, I also like motorcycle modification. Yeah, I think it's a cool things, and I get satisfaction just by looking at it. Ferdi, what about you? What's your interest?
Well, for me, my fashion is interest. My interest is fashion actually. I think fashion is a very important thing because when we meet other people, the first thing they look at is our appearance. Definitely. So I think we should look as good as possible.
Wow, wow, wow. That's very interesting, you guys. I think we all have very good interest, yeah?
Yes, I agree. Yeah, by the way, this is one more question about interests. Why do you think interests are so important?
Mm, I think interests are important because it keeps you motivated.
Yes, I agree.
Actually, there's one more thing. I think because when you have interest, you're going to live your life. You have a reason to live your life.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we are already talk about hobbies and interests too. So the next question is from wait at Basochemumun. He said, "What is your talent, guys?" So who first?
Okay, thank you for the question from @beso underscore Cimumun. Talking about talent, I wanna ask about what is the meaning of talent actually.
Okay, David. So, based on Google, talent means something that you can do effortlessly and you have the skill to do it.
Oh, okay, I see. From me, I think my talent is playing musical instruments, especially guitar. At first, I asked my parents to take me to a guitar course, but then I start to master it, so I think that's my talent. How about you, Edita?
I'm actually not really sure about my talent, but I could say that my talent is video editing because back in high school, my teacher always gave me an assignment that required me to edit a video. Since then, I could say that my talent is video editing.
Wow, that's an interesting Edita. By the way, for me, my talent is public speaking. You know why? Because I like to be in front of many people and being the center of attention since I was little. You can believe it? I also took part in a public speaking competition and become a master of ceremonies a few times, and yeah, I enjoyed it.
That's really great, yeah. But for me, I think my talent is drawing because I started drawing since I was like in kindergarten, and many people say that I have a good drawing skill, but sometimes even myself got surprised of how good it turned out.
That's very great talents, Verdi. For me, yeah, I consider to beatboxing as my talent because yeah, at first I only did it for fun, but then after a few times doing it and exercising, I'm starting to like it, and now I think I really love doing beatboxing. Like uh, yeah, something like that.
Ooh,
That's cool, that's cool.
Cool.
it's very
Wow,
good.
that's very nice.
And then, guys, I'm also curious, like, how do you think we discover our talent?
I think you just have to start doing something you like until you find the one that has a place in your heart and you are good at it.
Yeah, kayak you just explore it, you guys.
That's right. Thank you, thank you. So, Edita, like, are there any more questions?
So, the other question is actually asking the same thing.
Okay. So I think this will be the end of today's podcast. So thank you guys for listening to 45.07 podcast. You can guys listening in Apple Podcast. Hope you guys enjoy our podcast. Don't forget to watch the other episode of this podcast and share it to your friends. Okay.
See you
See you
guys
guys.
on our next
Bye-bye.
podcast. Bye.